Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Welcome to my channel.
The fun Yeah.
Hello, I'm Andre Johnson, the chef and events coordinator. If you like what you see, subscribe. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. This evening I'll be showing you how to skirt and set up a small buffet table. Okay, so let's get started. We only have approximately 10 minutes to do this. Okay, so here's my folding buffet table. So first, we're going to cloth the table. Okay, I have some clips here, and what you would do is put these clips on the edge of the table, approximately 1 foot apart. But this table is a plastic table, and these clips are not big enough. The clips come into different size. So I designed something here where I paste the, what is it called again? Velcro on the edge of the cloth. So I have it there for a while and I wash it, and it doesn't come off really. Alright? So after you put these clips on the edge of the table, which I'm not using clips this evening, you're going to select a point to start, and then you're going to work yourself around the table. I suggest you start from the back. So this here would be the front, perhaps, where the guest is coming from. You're going to have a line there, and if a server is going to be behind the buffet line or the buffet table, they would stand here. So I'm going to start here and work myself around. Alright, I'm going to put a weight onto the table so the cloth does not fall off. And then when I finish, I'm going to remove it. So select a starting point and work yourself around the table, attaching the skirting to the table. Right, so now that I have the skirting on the table, I'm going to remove the weight that I placed on the table. Alright, so now you're going to add your buffet dishes to the table. And I have a cart here. And this is a server's best friend, I'm telling you. It has everything that the server needs to set up his table, whether it's the buffet table or the dining table. It has trays, glasses, linen, tea box, silvers, water jugs, plates, you name it, okay? Alright? So I put one there. The second one there. Third one there. So if the guest is coming from this side, then you would put the plates here. So we have plates here. Then we're going to put the utensils for serving. Right. Now bear in mind, if you're going to have servers behind the buffet line, because that happens sometimes. A buffet really, the guests help themselves. When the dinner is started, you take the covers off and the guests help themselves. But sometimes servers are behind the table and they serve the guests. Now, if it's going to be done like that, then these utensils will be on this side. Now, if it's a double buffet, you would have a set of utensils here, and then you have another set over here. That means you have guests coming from both sides, so you don't have a long line. So one line here and one line here. Okay? And of course, one of my lives I did show you how to light the stirrers. Of course, you're going to put hot water inside. These are the water pans for the hot water, and then these are the inserts. These will be coming from the kitchen with food, whether it's going to be chicken, beef, fish, rice, whatever. And then you put it inside. The water would be about a little less than half, and then you put this over and you close. you how. Okay, let's review. Skirt the table, then place the stand in place, add the water pan, hot water, cover, place the fuel under, then you light, place the food in, remove the cover, and serve. Now you see how attractive a table is. You know, it's a simple table, but when you skirt it, it looks so attractive. If you don't have the clips, you could use thumbtacks if it's a wooden table. This is a plastic table, so the thumbtacks would not work. But what I suggest, however, is that if you get a bit of plywood long enough and you put it on top of the table, then you put the tablecloth on, you could use the thumbtacks, okay? And next week, what I'll be showing you is how to use a plain tablecloth and turn it into a skirting. So you look, this one I purchased it offline. You maybe can get a skirting for $30, $40. You know, as I said, I got these long time ago. But if you don't have proper skirting like these, you can use a plain tablecloth and do what we call box pleats. And I'm going to show that to you next week. I want you to like this video, comment and share. The one we did last week, it was nearly 2,000 views. Remember, like, comment and share. Thanks very much. Any questions, you can shoot them, I will answer them. Have a good evening. Thanks for watching.